So I saw your question on the discussion board about 6.2, I guess number 11 from the assignment. You're giving us data here. You want to construct an 80% confidence interval for the population mean mu. So follow the data represent concentration of dissolved organic carbon in milligrams per liter, 20 sample, etc. Assuming the population normal distributed. So over here, I've got it covered up, but there's a little icon you can click and just import the data directly into StatCrunch. So we don't know the population standard deviation. It's not given here. And so, this section is about t distribution. And so you go to, if you want to use StatCrunch, you go to Stat, T stats, one sample with data. So it's one sample. Then you get, once that comes up, you select your column, and then you select the confidence interval and put in 80%, and it gives you the lower and upper limits, which you see here. But based on what I saw of your answers, instead of using a t distribution, you were using a z distribution. So when you click on stat, instead of click on z, click on t. And we need to do that because we don't know the population standard deviation. Hope this helps.